Christian Louboutin, known for his iconic red bottoms. But did you guys know that his most feminine and flirty shoe was inspired by Dolly Parton? Hi, my loves y amores. Today we're reviewing the Me Dolly Mule, and I'm gonna let you know, are they worth it or not? This is the signature box that they come in, and woo! Now, each Louboutin comes with 2 red dust bags. Recently, I have seen them come in a white bag, which I actually don't like. I actually prefer the red because it doesn't get dirty, and the red is iconic. Now, we also get heel cap replacements, and this is the way that they look. And these are really nice, especially if you're wearing your heels for really long periods and it starts to wear out. This is a really nice replacement. And this is a little red pouch that it goes in. And let's take them out. And
If you enjoy beautiful luxury reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.
oh, look at these, my loves. This is the second one. And founded in 1991 in Paris, France, Christian Louboutin's love for shoes started at a young age. This led him to work with the iconic Charles Jourdan, who's known for his innovative designs, and Roger Vivier, known for producing the first modern stiletto heel. Fascinated by showgirls, cabaret dancers, and royalty, he created the iconic red lacquered shoe. This was actually inspired by a moment when he grabbed red nail polish from his assistant and painted the sole of a prototype. Today, Louboutin is known as the ultimate symbol of luxury heels. Pros: unique style. This is not a traditional stiletto. This is a mule. It has the peep toe, which is the small opening at the toe to give a sexy peekaboo effect. And we have the open back, which is easier to slip on while still giving you that signature red sole glam look. And in this baby pink color, this shoe is playful and it has that Barbie core look. Another pro is the heel height. Louboutins are known for their extreme unbearable heel heights, but this one isn't painfully high. At 100 millimeters, which is actually 3.8 inches, it's a much more wearable heel.
I also want to add that they carry the Me Dolly in 85 millimeters, which is 3.34 inches, and 55 millimeters, which is 2.1 inches, if you are interested in this style but want a shorter heel.
It gives you a noticeable lift, but not so much that you're falling over. And personally, as a heel wearer, I can wear these all day. Statement piece. Obviously, people are purchasing Louboutin for its stiletto and its iconic red sole, and this style is no exception. These mules come in several colors: nude, black, white, multicolor, and of course, our iconic pink. So you're getting what the shoe is known for, but with the surprise mule, and this shoe makes the outfit. It is the star. Cons. The material is questionable. So this mule is made from patent leather and it doesn't stretch. So it can feel stiff or tight, especially if you wear it for a long time. And because there's no ankle strap, your foot could slip out easily, especially if your feet swells or if you're walking a lot. Sizing is tricky. So because it is a backless heel, many people say that these run small or narrow in the toe box. So you may be required to size up, which can cause you to slip out, especially in a backless heel. I'm usually a 39, and I did actually have to size up through a 39.5 just to be comfortable. And of course, pricing. So these are currently at $845, which is actually lower than other styles, but it's still a luxury splurge. If you're not wearing them often, it may not feel worth it. So do I recommend this Me Dolly Mule or do I not? And my answer is, it depends. If this is your first time purchasing a Louboutin, or if you love that vintage classy look, then yes, But if you want a more secure, strappy heel, you may want to skip this. Now, thank you so much for being here. If you want to see more pros and cons, check out my playlist above. I love you guys so much for watching. Los amo. Mwah!